The rise of Persian Empire. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House. Thank you for joining me here. Today I will introduce with all of you how the Persian Empire rose to the eminence, how this empire was formulated, how this empire was formed. यही आज के मौजू के अंदर हम स्टडी करेंगे कि जो पर्शियन एम्पायर है वो किस तरह इस्टेब्लिश हुई, किस रूलर ने जो है उसकी फाउंडेशन रखी. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पर्शियन एम्पायर इज़ कंसीडर्ड एज वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट एम्पायर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. यानी कि तारीख के अंदर उसे कदीम तरीन दुनिया की एम्पायर जो है वो कहा जाता है. साइरस द ग्रेट laid down the foundation of this empire. This empire made significant contributions to the field of art, science, architecture, literature and music, and that is why this empire became very much rich in terms of literature, in terms of philosophy, in terms of many other fields of knowledge. So now we will be trace out what factors can be attributed to the rise of Persian Empire. यानी वो कौन से महरक़ात थे जिन्होंने इस एम्पायर को इस्टेब्लिश करने में अहम किरदार अदा किया. So first of all, we will find from the sources that Cyrus the Great was a militarily genius man. He was military tactician and he knew how to lay down a new empire. He knew how to defeat his enemies. In addition to this, there was another factor that we can consider very important in this regard is that he was a very diplomat. He knew how to negotiate with his enemies, and apart from this, he was also very tolerant to his enemies. Even whenever he conquered any area, he never forced anyone to convert the religion. He never forced anyone to inflict, to impose his ideology, his religion, his culture upon the conquered areas. So this was the second factor behind the rise of Persian Empire. In addition to this, he had a very organized bureaucracy. In modern time, we can easily understand how bureaucracy is important for the stability of any country. So at that time, although there was no term of bureaucracy at that time, but they were people who were functioning as bureaucrats. So Persian Empire had organized kind of bureaucracy. That is why this empire rose to the eminence. And the last factor that is very much important as compared to the other factors is the stable economy. If there had not been stable economy, there would not have been possible for the Persians to establish their empire. So with this, we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with a new topic of history. Thank you very much.